special school system incorporated, children have learned to give their best, not just take the easy way out of things. They are no longer afraid to push themselves to the limits without any fear of failing to succeed. The pride and achievement of Batch 2025 has now come for reality as they receive their diplomas from the preschool. Basco Queen Astrid D., the daughter of Mr. Merari G. Basco and Mrs. Joan D. Basco. De la Cruz Aldea Rain B., the daughter of Mr. Mark Kevin C. De la Cruz and Mrs. Kimberly B. De la Cruz. De Vera Gianna Elise Q., the daughter of Mr. Philip Ian F. De Vera and attorney Elaine Q. De Vera. Lamban Nino P., the son of Mr. Marlon P. Lamban and Mrs. Armelita P. Lamban. Jairus Achilles F., the son of Mr. J.R. Disik Macaraeg and Mrs. Mary Ruth Estela F. Macaraeg. Manzano Chloe Snow White, the daughter of Mr. Franklin I. Manzano and Mrs. Dinah Y. Manzano. Chodoro Marcos Aurelius T., the son of Engineer Rafael T. Chodoro and Mrs. April Joy T. Chodoro. Villanueva Amara Kate F., the daughter of Mr. Ian Jacob M. Villanueva